Hey, what's up, SLP coin holder, my brother? So I have answering you, my brother. A lot of holder ask me the important question of SLP coin, so I will answering you, my friend, every question. Let's see, my brother. The first question you can see here: SLP, small low portion SLP price prediction, question and answers. So this time the first question is, what will be the lowest price, my friend, the SLP? So you can see here 0.37 USD dollar. What will be the highest price? So you can see here 1.41 USD dollar. And will SLP, my friend, you can see here price increase in the future? Yes, small or portion SLP price will increase according to our predicate date and future, my brother. Let's see, my brother. Absolutely. And 2022 there is a chance, so they will give you 0.5 USD dollar. And 2022, my friend, at the end there is a chance, my friend, so the fails down, and they will give you again, my friend, 0.4 to 5 USD dollar. So this time you can see here investment and small low portion SLP as for profitable or loss making. My friend, this is very important question. A holder are ask me sometime, can this is good, my friend, for investment, and those made are not, my brother. So you can see, yes, smaller portion SLP is profitable investment based on our forecasting. So it's a very absolutely, my friend, this is very good coin, my brother, for a good time, my friend, profitable coin, my brother. So if you want to invest and if you want to get a profit, so it's a very good coin, my brother. Whether the price of smaller portion SLP will be downward in the future? No, smaller portion SLP price will not be downward based on our estimated prediction. Absolutely very good answer, my brother. They will never fails down in upcoming days. And 1 year from now, what will one smaller portion be worth? The price of smaller low portion can regularly be up to 0.5. Yes, I already tell my brother this and the start of this video now. And warrior time is a 2x nearly from the current smaller portion price, my brother. Remember, 2x now. All right, where do I buy smaller portions? So there are many places to buy and exchange smaller portion. We list them all here now. All right, so what if you want to buy more? So I think absolutely there is a lot of links available. So if you want to buy, so this is just an only, my friend, here now. What will the small low portion, my friend, sorry, I will tell you just to where you want to buy it. The trust wallet, one of the good option, my friend, is go now and buy it. And blockchain, my friend, and I think, my brother, this time absolutely also. And if you are my friend, and US, so I think trust wallet is going to be very good now. What will be the price of smaller portion after a 1 year, 2022? It's mean, so it's clear, my friend, 0.5 USD dollar. What will be the price of smaller portion? So 0.59 USD dollar and 2023 and 2024. You can see here 0.8 USD dollar and 2025, 0.7 USD dollar and 2026, 0.9 USD dollar and 2027, 1.21 USD dollar and 2028. You can see here 1.2 USD dollar. So this is, my friend, the main questions of all holder, my friend. I will answering you, and if you have any question more, so kindly ask me. I will answer you, my friend, in my video. I will make special video for all of you now. Thanks for watching. A holder, please like video and subscribe the channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.